Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pattern lock or password lock. And if you have tried a lots of time with your smartphone to unlock your smartphone and you're not success to unlock your smartphone, then don't worry at all. You don't have to go any service center, okay, and you don't need any computer application. By the sitting at home, you can also unlock your smartphone by within 2 or 3 minutes, okay. So this video may be long due to explain you how you will use this method, okay. So if your phone is locked, then don't worry at all. You don't have to spend a single penny to unlock your smartphone. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also give you why sometimes these type of method don't work on your smartphone, okay. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should battery charge at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then take help of my next upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my previous videos. And for this you will have to subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now my friend, as you know that this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly I will have to switch off these type of network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see with me. Now you can see here there is an option of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So now you can see after activating this airplane mode, my phone's all the network has been switched off. Now after this your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method or engineer's mode, okay. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone. Your phone's all the background running application should be closed before going to the master unlocking method, okay. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center, okay, every brand service center to close the running application when your phone is locked, okay. And these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. So what I'm going to give you in today's video, secret code is only updated only for 2 or 3 days, okay. So now simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here my phone has been locked due to pattern lock now. But you don't have to try this pattern lock after 1 or 2 times, okay. Otherwise your phone maybe delete all the data of your phones, okay. Now you can see here there is an option of emergency SOS option or emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option. And when you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will reach to your phone's dialing pad. Now here you will have to feed this secret code to close the background running application. And today's secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed here. And today's secret code is star has 444 then star 99 then 694 then star 000 then has. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. Now after feeding this secret code in your dialing pad, you will have to call on this secret code. And at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call field. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously like this. Now after call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application now closed. Now simply you will have to clear this secret code from your dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will takes your phone to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, okay. Now after this the special USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see here after feeding this star has 899 has, your phone's after sales page has been appeared on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here engineers mode page. Okay, so don't worry at all, both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After this, simply you can see here there are also a lots of options on this page. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here no. After this, simply you will have to click on this software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of options on this page. You can see with me, the first option is showing here your phone's model number. Your phone's model number is RMX347, so don't worry at all, you don't have to go with this option. Now at the second number, you can see here the option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. Okay, and if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times continuously like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. Then the option name is, you can see here, manual test option. So simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and after clicking on this option, you will reach to a new page. Then page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you can see here the page is showing 3 type of option on this page. You don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other option which will come at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here, but you can also see here there are also a 5 type of option on showing on this display. You can see here. Now after this, simply you can see here there is an option of a mainboard version or database version at the 4th number. You can see here. Now it may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard of version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the second step has been done, my friend. Now you can see here there is another option of a read write important log test at the 2nd number. Now after this, you will have to go with this option, and when you will go with this option, when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and it will ask you to confirm this option. Okay, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the 2nd time, you will have to do the cancel. At the 3rd time, you will have to do the cancel. But at the 4th time, when you will go with this read write important log test option, you will have to confirm this with the OK option. And when you will confirm this with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password locks are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the last step, what I'm going to give you after this step is most important. And if you have skipped any step, okay, and if you have skipped any step, it means you will have to watch this video again. So watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You will have to watch properly. Okay, now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see with me. Now after this, you can see here there are also a lots of options on this page. Okay, device debugging page has also a lots of options. Sorry, why is okay? Now you can see here sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number, showing here sensor self test and calibration option. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with this sensor self test and calibration option. And when you will go with this sensor self test and calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is sensor self test and calibration page. Okay, but you can see here there are also a 3 type of options showing here. You can see with me. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. Okay, so simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these options. Okay, so I'm going to click on these options. You can watch with me, and you will have to continue clicking on these options until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, now I'm going to do this. You can also watch with me. Just a minute. Test has been started, but test failed. You can see with me. Test has been started, test passed. The 3rd option, test has been started but test failed option comes. Okay, it means a single test pass message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Okay, now I don't have to do anything by smartphone. Now I will check simply whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check, and how will you check your phone is unlocked or not? So how will you check? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this method really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us encouragement to make the next video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then don't worry at all. Make a comment in my comment box what type of a problem you're facing. Our team will quick response on your issues and your phone will be unlocked within 2 and 3 minutes. So thank you so much.